job. For jobs, for cleaning, for for the job like you.
You're looking for a job.
Yes, I look for job.
Okay. Have you got any experience?
Experiment.
Experience. Did you ever work in any shop?
Ayo.
Okay.
I'm funny.
So you cannot even speak properly.
I speak like sometimes only and the four under the table. I speak.
But I don't even understand you. What are you saying?
I look for job.
No, I can see you cannot speak like proper. So if I gave you a job, how are you going to service the customer?
Okay. I beg for this one.
Nothing for Mahala.
So, do you have a family?
Family?
Yes.
Yes, I do have.
You love him?
I do love.
Yeah. I'm not
Why?
have.
Why are you asking?
I am not have family.
You not have your family?
Yes.
What's wrong?
Because I'm not have. I'm love you.
Yeah.